You're never too old to love, it's never too late to try. When somebody needs you, give them all you can give. When you're living to love and loving to live, stay young, keep your wheels in motion. You've got everything that you need. Stay young with your rock and rolling. All the best things in life are free. Like playing the fool, just step out of line, break all the rules. Don't you let them tell you it's not for you. Don't go growing old before you're due. Stay young, keep your wheels in motion. You've got everything that you need. Stay young with your rock and rolling. All the best things in life are free. You've got everything that you need. Stay young with your rock and rolling. All the best things in life are free.
I woke up just before 6:30, slept in for 10 minutes, and now I'm heading down to Buckeye Hot Springs. We're next to the river. Let's be buck naked at Buckeye.
This water is hot.
The water is nice and hot, so hot you can't really actually stay. It's almost scalding coming off the waterfall. And I think that mound, that kind of the cave, I think that's a mound of minerals that have slowly built up over time, the minerals that are carried in the hot spring water, and they've hardened and solidified into that big mound that creates the cave on the riverbank. And maybe the river erodes away underneath it, and that's what creates the cave. But just a gorgeous way to wake up in the morning, and that soak felt so good. Right next to the river is just beautiful.
I got high hopes that tomorrow is gonna be better than today. It don't look like it's coming, I know, but why not believe it I got two hands that ain't afraid to work hard, and I jump out of bed every day. Yeah, I know these times now are real hard, but looking on the bright side always pays. Call it a prayer, call it a dream, call it a leap of faith, if you call it anything. I got high hopes that tomorrow is gonna be better than today. I know it's dry, but that's gonna change. Lord, I ain't felt a drop, but I can smell.
Middle of nowhere, Nevada.
Call it a prayer, call it a dream, call it a
I love coming across these abandoned buildings in the middle of nowhere. Here I am in this Nevada desert, snowy, rugged mountains on the horizon. I've just been driving in a straight line for like 60 miles, and then this thing just popped up right beside the highway. It's just this forlorn, desolate, abandoned concrete structure of some sort. Bunch of graffiti on it, and in a lonely kind of way, this place is kind of beautiful. I'm just here to have a look and poke my nose into something I didn't even know existed before today. This is where they filmed the hanging scene from Once Upon a Time in the West. There used to be an arch here, and it has the iconic Monument Valley backdrop, and it's extremely windy here this morning. I'm not even gonna bother to try and put the camera on a tripod because it'll just blow over. It's like super gusty, and there's obviously no respite from the wind. It's pretty cool to see this old Hollywood relic, or what's left of it. It's just this random spot in the desert. I was wondering where Nina went, and I looked to my right. Here she is. She's got a bone next to a whole carcass. She's got a whole carcass. Dang, Needs. Wow, look at that. Is that your bone? Is that your bone? Huh? I'm sure that's gonna make your breath smell wonderful. What a good girl, Needs. That's a rattlesnake, all right. Look at those spots. Look at that guy. Yikes, dude. What are you doing here? Stay young, keep your wheels in motion.
You've got everything that you